Yeah, awesome. Nice. Thanks for the demo. That is great, man.
Hey, Jake, get in here, bud.
I get in. Thank you. Anybody want to hold this? You can hold it. Appreciate it, man. Woo.
Hello, sir. How are you?
How you doing, man? What's your name and full equipment before demo?
My name's Trey Cooper. I'm just the builder. This is Jay Spinell. He's the owner.
Okay.
It's 4 ZV515s and a 4th order 3-to-1. Yeah, TCD wall, me, on Skar 4500s.
Okay.
2 Skar 4500s and only 1 alt, 95 amp hours of Cmax.
Yep.
Is that right?
crazy, man.
For 415s, it's not bad.
That's really musical too. You got great bandwidth.
Thank
What does
you.
it play, like 23 hertz up to what, 60 hertz or
It drops
what?
off about 25.
25? Okay.
Yeah, but that's like serious drop off. Like we
Yeah.
still get audible performance.
You do? Okay. Wow. Really good work. Who built this?
Me.
You
TC
did.
Designs.
Nice.
Yeah, that's
TC
me.
Designs. Okay.
Yep.
Awesome. Really good work.
Thank
I
you.
like the port design. It's a little bit unique and different too.
Thank you.
What's
We
your-
wanted- Go ahead. You're
What's
fine.
your port area? Curious.
Fuck, it's a lot.
So I mean,
I don't know. That's
would
my
say-
thing. It's tuned to like 44.
44. Okay. I would probably guess around 560.
It's big. It's
Yeah.
400 plus.
Yeah. Awesome. Nice. Thanks for the demo. That is great,
Thank you
man.
for getting
Really
Hey,
musical.
we wanted to give you this too, man.
Oh yeah? A shirt?
Yep, thank you, man. That's
Oh.
our YouTube channel. It's so small, but
Okay. What's your YouTube channel?
it's
Liberty Base.
Yeah, at Liberty Base.
Liberty Base. All right. Nice to meet y'all, man.
Hey, man, thank you. We
Yep.
appreciate
Can I
it.
see the back? It's raining.
go for it.
Use the umbrella so I don't get wet.
Run around, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, the outside. Sorry, base head problem.
Base head problems. I understand. Appreciate it.
You want a stick or two?
Make sure I don't get wet.
It's not that bad.
It's all
Nice.
Americana themed.
Is this the SK series or the RP?
SKs.
SKs, okay.
They're wired at half ohm.
Okay,
I think we're clamping right about 10K.
okay. Wow. I'm sorry.
You guys are fine.
Awesome. Thanks for showing me, man.
Hey, no problem, man. Appreciate it.
going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.